Hey guys, today I will be showing how to set up free email server in FastPanel. If you want to send unlimited emails for free, you need to watch this video. And of course, you need a free web control panel. We'll be using FastPanel and we'll be using VPS. In this tutorial, we'll be using Contabo Cloud VPS. And our DNS will be set up in Cloudflare. So here are the steps. First, you need to sign up for a VPS. In this tutorial, we'll be using Contabo Cloud VPS, and we will choose Ubuntu 22.04 LTS as our operating system. If you don't have any idea about using VPS, I will tell you how later on. And of course, you need to have a VPS, and we will install FastPanel on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So if you have just sign up with a VPS, be sure to choose Ubuntu 22.04 LTS because it's one of the best operating system for FastPanel. And next, we will set up DNS records, the A record, MX record, text record in Cloudflare. And of course, you need to have a domain name, and I will be using Namecheap. I will set up it later on. And next, we will add an email address, an email account in FastPanel, and send a test email. So let's get started. Okay, let's proceed to our first step. Let's install FastPanel on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and I am here on my Contabo dashboard. And if you have just signed up with Contabo, you can skip this step. But if you have already have Contabo as a VPS and you want to install FastPanel, and you need to have a clean operating system. Okay, let's install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. We'll generate the password. Just copy this one and click install. Click install. Just click OK. Wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. Okay, we'll log in via SSH. We'll be using a free SSH client called Bitwise. Just input your server IP address and use port 22 and click login. Just accept and save and enter the password of your server. Okay, just click this one, new terminal console, and okay, now we are here on our server. We have connected via SSH using a free SSH client called Bitwise. Next, we will install FastPanel. Let's go to this website. Okay, I will put a link on this website on the description down below. We will need to use this command to install FastPanel. First, let's make sure we have a wget installed, and just copy this one, paste it here. Okay, let's install FastPanel using this command. Just copy this one, paste. Just right click your mouse, it will automatically paste. So click enter. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, we have successfully installed FastPanel. Just highlight this one. It will automatically paste. Automatically copy. And we will use this link to access our FastPanel. Just paste it. Okay, just click advanced and just accept the risk and continue. Okay, let's log in. Oh, sorry. Use this fast user and this will be your password. Store this on a safe place. Fast user. Click login. Don't save. We'll enter our email here and just click save and just accept. Okay, now we have successfully installed FastPanel on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. I have actually 4 cores and I have 8 GB of RAM in Contabo Cloud VPS. So next we will create a site. Just click create site. We will create a WordPress. We will use this domain and be sure to check this create email domain and just click next step and be sure to store this again on a safe place. Okay, we'll just generate one, and if you want to send this on your email, just click check this one, but I won't send this one to my email for security reasons. Click next step. I will create new one, and we'll just click next step. We'll wait for the creation. We'll just take a few minutes. Okay, great. Just go to sidecar, and first we will install an SSL for this website. Just go to our domain register first. Okay, click manage. I'm using Namecheap, and I will not be using the DNS of Namecheap. I will be using Cloudflare's DNS. Let's go first to Cloudflare and just click login. Okay, we will add a site and shop. Okay, web shop store. So click add site, and we'll use a free service. Just click continue. And here we have a default settings for our MX and text records that we need to use Cloudflare's DNS. So just click continue, and we'll use this one. So just click copy, paste it here, click the second one and paste it here, and just click this check mark so that it will save, and it will take 48 hours mostly, and we will check this one. Done. Check name servers. Just click finish later. Okay, once we have once the preparation starts, you can occasionally just click check name servers, And let's go to DNS. Okay, if the propagation is complete, you will see this message from your Cloudflare. And okay, it's time to install SSL. Let's go back to our FastPanel control. Go to SSL certificates and click new certificate. And we'll use Let's Encrypt. Just click save. Okay, now we have finished issuing SSL, and now it's time to uh, configure our DNS settings, and we'll just delete this MX and sex record first. Okay, and let's go back to this website and let's go to main page. I'll just click this one, and we will use this um, DNS records. We will use this MX and text records for setting up our email in FastPanel, because FastPanel's DNS zone records are very confusing. We will use this one, and let's start. So we will have an A record for our uh, domain. So we have here, and I will not use a proxy for this. I'll just turn this off. Click save. Click save. And we'll add an A record for mail. So that will be A record for mail. IP address. Be sure to use your server IP address. I will not use this proxy. Click save, and another one that will be www. A record, www, and IP address. I'll set this to auto and click save. Next, we'll add an MX record. Add an MX record. That will be an @, it will be a root, and time to live or TTL will be auto, and of course priority is okay. Sorry, that will be an MX record. I will use @ and it will be mail.chunks.store. Our priority is 10. Just click save, and now for text records, let's go to our FastPanel for this default main key, dkim. Let's go back, click mail, and click this dkim, and I'll just click this one to copy. Let's add a text record. That will be, the content will be your dkim, and of course the name will be @ the name will be domain, this one, default domain key, and just click save. We'll just use auto, add another text record, key mark. Let's copy this one, paste it here, copy this one and paste it here, click save. Next, domain key, add an A record, no text record I mean, Main key. Just copy this one, paste it here. Just click, auto, and we'll use this. This one for our another text record. We will use add, and we'll add this SPF, and be sure you have an IPv6. If you're not using an IPv6, just IPv4, it's okay. And put your IPv6 here, IP, and your IPv6, IP version 4, and your IP address, your server IP address version 4. And click save. And next, we will add a reverse DNS. Let's go back to our Contabo Cloud VPS. Let's go to reverse DNS management, and be sure your PDR record points to your IP address, IPv4 and IPv6. You have this on this account, IPv6. This is your IPv6, and IPv4, your IPv4. Do not forget to add this one, because Gmail will put your messages to spam. And okay, let's create an email. Let's go back to our FastPanel and click mailboxes. Just click new mailbox. That will make it easier for you. Let's generate the password. We'll put this unlimited, and just click save. And let's access our email by Roundcube. FastPanel uses Roundcube as its webmail client. Okay, now we are here on Roundcube webmail. Here you can send and receive email messages, but as you can see, it's not using an SSL or a secure protocol, because it is an IP address. Instead, we will use a domain name so that we can issue an SSL. And let's go back to our FastPanel control. On the left side menu, just click this 3 bars and go to settings. Click main, go to panel addresses, add address, use our domain name, chunks.store, and click save. And just go to SSL, and we will use let's encrypt, and click save. Okay, great. Now we are able to issue an SSL for our hostname, and it will log us out. Let's use our domain name to access our FastPanel. Okay, great. We'll just fast user, click login. Okay, let's go to our site card, scroll down, mail. Okay, we'll go to mailboxes. Let's access our webmail. Now we are using a secure protocol. It's now safe to send and receive email messages. Okay, now we'll try to send an email to Gmail. I will be using an email template. Okay, just copy and paste this one. So just click send. Now let's go to our Gmail. Okay, great. Now we have received this email, and let's try to send a reply. Thank you. I will be there. Cards, John. I'll click send. Let's see if we have received our reply. Refresh. Okay, great. Now we have received our reply, and we have successfully uh, set up an email server in FastPanel. But last step, we'll just test this using mail tester. Okay, this is our last step. We will test our email for spamminess, and this is how you will check your email in FastPanel for its deliverability. If your email can send to other emails and will not go to spam. First, just copy this one and we'll create a new email, and of course we will have an email template, just the same, and click send. Okay, great. Let's now check our score. Wow, great. We have 10 over 10. So this is how you will check your email deliverability in FastPanel. And we have successfully set up an email server in FastPanel, and we have a 10 over 10 score. So I hope you learned something. This ends our tutorial, and if you have any questions, just put them on the comment section, and I will try to answer them all. So thank you all for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video.